Hey folks, Captain Mark here from King's Landing Sport Fishing, ProjectSalmon.ca, and today I want to talk about planer boards, but specifically I want to talk about the Pro Release. This is a different release that the Project Salmon boards come with from factory, come stock, but a lot of people use add these releases to their church boards, their offshore boards, their Ziggy boards, you name it, they add the Pro Releases. What the Pro Release does is when you get a fish, it snaps open almost like a Black's Release on a downrigger, and then allows the planer board to hang on the line. So you're fighting the fish with just the planer board hanging versus having the fish and a planer board trying to plane away with a fish on it. But I want to show you a little bit of how to actually rig them up, because that's sometimes the part that I think a lot of people get a bit confused and I get a lot of questions about. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. It'll help anyone with any type of Pro Release, but I wanted to help out and show you how to do this. So let's just, for the sake of this video, assume here's my crankbait. I'm going to throw my crankbait out. Here we go. That's enough, but let's assume I've sent it out 100, 150, 200 yards or feet. Let's assume I've got some lead core, some weighted steel, whatever you want on there. Okay, now, first thing you do, you've got to actually pin the board to the line. Now, you can do it just the normal, line through. Myself, personally, I like to do a loop. So I take it, I loop it around my fingers, I get it in there, and then I slowly pull it tight. And what you'll see by doing that is it's now locked on to the red clip. It's more, there's less chance of it getting pulled off of the board and you having to go chase a board. It can still happen, but less chance. Next, I take the line going to my rod tip and I set it through the Pro Release. And then I set it through the little groove on the red part. And then what I do is I'm literally winding it away from me 3 times. It's a little bit difficult to show you guys as I'm doing it on a video and without an actual rod, but here we go. I'm winding it around 3-4 times and then close it. So now what happens is, you got everything tight. You got your board here, it's in there. This board's planing away, and basically all you have happen is, if you get a big enough fish, it'll release it, or you just take a quick snap, and now your planer board is released. That's how quick and easy the Pro Release is. Let me show you that again one more time. Basically, I take the line, I run it through the little black groove that the snap goes into. I run it through the groove on the red, and I wrap it away from me 3, 4, or 5 times. Then I close it up. There you go. It's that simple. Fish hits, it'll either release, or you give it a quick snap and it releases and you're done. That's simple. So if you haven't got Pro Releases on your boards, I highly recommend it. You'll notice with the Pro Releases, all of them, they have a little screw right here. That's a little tension screw. So you can set the tension. You need a small little screwdriver. I got mine back here. You need a small little screwdriver to set the tension. It's good because if you're running just like really light baits, like just a straight crank, no copper, no weighted steel, no lead core, you might want a little bit looser. If you're, I don't have the big boards with me, but if you're running a set of big boards, maybe an 8-inch paddle or something, 200, 300 weighted steel, you're going to want that crank down a little bit tighter. But this allows you actually to adjust so you can still release that quick and easy. Anyways, that's it. The Pro Release. Highly recommend them. Give them a try. I don't think you'll go back. Talk to you guys later. Have a good one and Happy New Year. Talk to you. Bye.